Finding the MongoDB cluster password depends on the specific setup you are using, such as MongoDB Atlas or a self-hosted MongoDB cluster. Here's how you can find the password for both setups. MongoDB Atlas. MongoDB Atlas is a cloud service, and the password is set when you create a database user. Log into MongoDB Atlas. Visit MongoDB Atlas and log in with your account credentials. Access the project. Navigate to your project where the cluster is located. Go to Database Access. In the left-hand navigation, select Database Access under the Security tab. View Users. You will see a list of database users. Find the user associated with the MongoDB cluster whose password you need. Reset password. If you cannot find or remember the password, click the Edit button next to the user and reset the password by entering a new one. Update connection string. After resetting, update your connection string with the new password. Self-hosted MongoDB cluster. If you are using a self-hosted MongoDB cluster, the password is typically stored securely. If forgotten, you need to either reset the password for the MongoDB user or access it from a configuration file, depending on your setup.